Have you ever looked up at the stars and wondered if we're truly alone in the universe? As we gaze into the vast expanse of space, this question has captivated the human mind for centuries. Are we the only intelligent beings, or is there life beyond our blue planet? The cosmos, with its infinite galaxies and planets, seems too vast for us to be the only sentient creatures. Yet, despite our technological advancements and space explorations, concrete evidence of extraterrestrial life remains elusive. But what if the evidence we're seeking isn't light years away, but right here on our own planet? What if the proof of alien existence has been under our noses all along, tucked away in the dusty corners of our world, waiting to be discovered? This isn't just a fanciful thought, but a possibility that has intrigued scientists and alien enthusiasts alike. In fact, some suspect that we've already found such evidence. I'm talking about the Ata skeleton, a 6-inch skeletal remains discovered in the Atacama Desert of Chile. This diminutive skeleton, with its strange features and unexplained origins, has sparked a whirlwind of debate and speculation. Is it an unknown human deformity or something far more extraordinary? Could it be the tangible proof we've been seeking, a testament to the existence of extraterrestrial life? These questions have fueled countless debates and investigations, transforming the Ata skeleton from a mere archaeological find into a symbol of our quest for answers. The mystery of its origins is as vast and as enigmatic as the cosmos itself, a cosmic riddle waiting to be solved. But is the Ata skeleton truly an alien, or is it a product of earthly phenomena? Is it the key that unlocks the answers to our questions about extraterrestrial life, or is it just another piece in the puzzle of human biology and evolution? These are the questions that we will be exploring in this video. Today, we delve into a discovery that might just tilt the scales: the Ata skeleton. In the barren landscapes of the Atacama Desert, something peculiar was found. In 2003, tucked away in the ghost town of La Noria, a tiny skeleton, no bigger than the palm of your hand, was uncovered. This wasn't an average find. Oh no, this was something that sent shockwaves through the scientific community and beyond. The skeleton, affectionately dubbed the Ata skeleton, was a mere 6 inches tall. Its size wasn't the only thing that caught the eye, though. This tiny frame boasted a number of unusual characteristics that were nothing short of puzzling. It had a cone-shaped head, not unlike the ones you'd see in classic depictions of extraterrestrials. Its rib count was a mere 10, 2 fewer than the average human. And its bones? They appeared to be as mature as those of a 6-year-old child. As you can imagine, the whispers started almost immediately. Could this be an alien, a being from another world? The skeleton's peculiarities certainly made it seem like a possibility. In the blink of an eye, the Ata skeleton had become a source of immense speculation. The world was intrigued, to say the least, and controversy soon followed. Scientists, researchers, and alien enthusiasts alike flocked to the Atacama Desert, each with their own theories and ideas. The media was abuzz with speculation and theories, each more fantastical than the last. Some believed the Ata skeleton was a hoax, a clever fabrication designed to stir up the public's interest in extraterrestrial life. Others were convinced it was the remains of an ancient human dwarf. But amidst the controversy and the intrigue, there were also those who looked at the Ata skeleton with a sense of hope. Could this finally be the proof they had been waiting for? The tangible evidence that we are not alone in the universe? The discovery of the Ata skeleton was more than just a scientific curiosity. It was a mystery, an enigma that begged to be solved. It was a symbol of our undying curiosity, our desire to understand the universe and our place within it. As scientists began their investigations, the world held its breath. The mystery of the Ata skeleton had begun to unfold, leaving the world to wonder. Could this be the proof of extraterrestrial life? Science, our compass in the quest for truth, stepped in to uncover the secrets of the Ata skeleton. With the discovery of the 6-inch Ata skeleton, the world was abuzz with speculation. Could this be evidence of extraterrestrial life? Or was it merely a human anomaly? The scientific community set out to answer these questions with rigorous investigation and analysis. The first stage of this investigation was DNA analysis. DNA, the blueprint of all living organisms, can tell us a lot about a specimen's origins. It can reveal species, ancestry, and even disease predisposition. In the case of the Ata skeleton, scientists extracted a small sample of bone marrow for DNA sequencing. The DNA sequencing process is a bit like deciphering a complex code. It involves breaking down the DNA into its basic components. and then reading these components to understand the genetic information they contain. It's a meticulous process, but it can provide a wealth of knowledge. As the scientists delved into the DNA of the Ada skeleton, they discovered something surprising. The DNA was, in fact, human. This was a startling revelation. The skeleton, with its unusual size and features, seemed so alien, yet its DNA told a different story. But the investigation didn't stop there. The scientists wanted to understand why the Ada skeleton was so different from typical human skeletons. They examined the DNA for mutations, changes in the DNA sequence that can cause abnormalities, and they found them, a lot of them. The Ada skeleton had a significant number of DNA mutations related to bone development and growth. These mutations could explain the skeleton's small size and unusual features. It was likely a human with severe genetic disorders, not an alien life form. This conclusion was a disappointment for those hoping for evidence of extraterrestrial life. But it was a triumph for science. The investigation had solved the mystery of the Ada skeleton. It had shown the power of DNA analysis, and it had given us a glimpse into the complexities of the human genome. The Ada skeleton, once thought to be a beacon of extraterrestrial life, was found to be human. But does this close the door on the existence of aliens? Despite the scientific findings, the debate rages on. The Ada skeleton, a mere 6 inches in length, has sparked a whirlwind of discussions and arguments that far exceed its physical size. The bone of contention? Alien existence, a subject that has been a hotbed for debate for as long as we can remember. On one side of the debate, we have the steadfast believers. They maintain that the Ada skeleton could still be of alien origin, despite the scientific findings. These individuals often cite the skeleton's unusual features, its tiny stature, the extraordinary number of ribs, the shape of the skull, as evidence of extraterrestrial existence. They ask, could Earth's biological laws truly account for such an anomaly? Opposing them are the skeptics, those who stand firmly on the ground of scientific evidence. They argue that the Ada skeleton is human, albeit with abnormalities due to genetic mutations. They believe that the alien theory is a stretch, a leap of faith that goes beyond the realm of scientific reason. Then, there are those who sit on the fence. They are intrigued by the mystery of the Ada skeleton, but are yet to take a stand. They watch, they listen, and they question. They entertain the idea of alien existence, but also respect the weight of scientific evidence. This ongoing debate about the Ada skeleton is but a microcosm of the larger conversation about extraterrestrial life. It's a dialogue fueled by our innate curiosity, our desire to understand the unknown, to find our place in the grand scheme of things. It's a debate that's likely to continue as long as the stars twinkle above us. Whether you believe in aliens or not, the Ada skeleton serves as a fascinating reminder of the mysteries that still surround us. The universe is vast, filled with unknowns that we continue to explore. We've journeyed together through the enigmatic tale of the 6-inch Ada skeleton, an intriguing discovery that has sparked intense debate and investigation. We've probed into the scientific findings, dissecting them with a critical lens, and gauged the ongoing discourse on the existence of extraterrestrial life. This peculiar tiny skeleton has indeed challenged our conventional thinking, forcing us to question our understanding of life beyond Earth. Yet the answers remain elusive, the universe still holding tight to its secrets. The quest for the truth, like the universe itself, is immense and unending. So the next time you gaze at the stars, remember the Ada skeleton and ponder the question, are we truly alone in the universe? Thank you for joining us on this cosmic journey. Please remember to subscribe for more videos.